Hey there, guys. So yeah, have you ever had your wife out of the house and thought to yourself, how can I clean about 100 pounds of sorghum seed? Fresh 100 pounds of sorghum seed. Well, I had a brilliant idea, guys. Shut off the heat on the dryer, stick it on the dryer with something soft, possibly a pair of boots, and turn it on and see what happens. Turns out, what do you know? Besides making a giant mess, it actually threshes seed very well. Go figure. So guys, sorry about that. It's a can that all the seed is in. If you're wondering how you can thresh out some of your sorghum seed, stick it in your dryer with some boots, you can see it there, and shut off the heat and turn it on. Turn it on. Seems to work fairly well. Just don't tell your wife and maybe clean up afterwards, because apparently I'm making a giant mess. Huh. I'm like a genius though. It's working perfectly. Just don't tell her, guys. See you later. Grow food. Apparently you can use a dryer on the no heat setting to thresh out your seeds. Probably work with wheat fairly well too, or barley. Yeah. Huh. Works well with sorghum, go figure.